Hello, children. Now that's an interesting picture. Can you tell me what you see in it?
Oh yes, we can. We see a king, a troop of soldiers and a horse.
What are they wearing on their heads?
The king is wearing a crown and the soldiers are wearing helmets.
Good. Now can you guess who the king is?
King Ashoka. No, it's King Vikramaditya.
A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. For example, crown, king, and horse. Nouns like these are called common nouns. A proper noun is a special name given to a person, place, an animal, or a thing. For example, Ashoka, Vikramaditya. Some of the nouns, when taken together as a single unit, are called collective nouns. For example, a troop of soldiers.